What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show people how to join and how to bet and how quickly you get your 50 Rand bonus voucher from EasyBet. I just want to take everyone through that process. People have been complaining, saying they have trouble joining. So I want just to teach people how to do it. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Please, let's go together. Let's do it, because now I'm about to introduce you to the best of the best that is out there to do it. Those people who are punters, they know how to do it, and some of them are struggling. If you're still going through a lot when you want to place your teams or your numbers, this is the best site to go, EasyBet. So guys, let's go together. It will show here in your screen how I'm doing it. I just want to teach you. I'll teach you three things here in this video. Yeah, I just want to teach people three things in this video: how to join, how quickly you receive your bonus, your joining bonus, and how to place your bet using that bonus. Because people are saying, no, I don't know how to use my bonus voucher. Please stay, can you please help? Now I just want to help you. So let's go together, guys, as I'm teaching you how to do it. Okay, first thing first, you go to the website. You go to the website, you see as I'm typing there, you go through the yellow one, guys, the yellow and black and white, the beautiful one there. Then you press join because you are new. Your first name there, I'll just type a random name. My name is Thembiso, by the way, but I'll just type Thembile. And Zama, my cousin is Zama, just type Zama, but you type your original information. I type Kanyile, that's my mom's surname. Then you type your number. The number must be original, guys, because you will need that number to verify. There must be an SMS that will be sent in that number, so you have to put a right number, and you also have to put a working email. This email is for my channel, it's for my YouTube channel, emakayatv1@gmail.com. You put a working email. Then you go to the next stage, whereby you put your ID number. It's very important. You put your ID number. So guys, I already joined using my original ID number, so I had to use my other ID number, but I'll have to hide it so that you don't steal my ID number then. But it must be a valid ID number. After that ID number, you enter a password. You create a password, by the way. You create a password. There is a password, but skip that one. I prefer that you create your own. So it must be at least 8 characters. Must be strong password. So I'm creating my own password, so you won't see, but you have to create your own, and the one that you won't forget. People have a problem of forgetting their password, so if you reach all, stay 50 is your promo code, guys. That's why you don't compromise. Don't skip this promo code. Yes, it's optional, but put stay 50. That's my promo code. I'm the one teaching you how to place and how to join the best app in the world. You agree terms and conditions, then you press that you are not a robot. That's where it's get interesting. I want people to stay there. That's where it's get interesting. Sometimes we just pass, but sometimes we get to see these questionnaires, so you must to click where there are buses. Sometimes this can give you headache, but it's too easy. This is my first attempt. I missed this one so that I can get another one, so that people can see that you have options. You fail, then they will say no, try another one. Then you pass that one, you go through. So I failed, and now they said I must do the traffic lights. Let's see. This one is too easy. 1, 2, you go. I'm done. Then you're done. You say create your account. Now we're creating your account. We're in, guys. You remember your phone number. Your phone number, they will send a 6 code. So you have to put that code here. That's why it is very important that you use your original number. So this is my code. I'm inside. Welcome to the best app in the world. Now we complete the registration. Yeah, that's my birth date, the city that I'm living in. I'm living in Devon. I just put a random street name, but you have to put your address, because in my account, the Steam is account, there is my original address, but I just put the Anton Lembede street just for fun. But it's a valid street. Those who stays in Durban, they know the famous street in Durban. Then you say unemployed, whatever, you are a salary. Then you have successfully created your account. You go again. You skip this. I want to teach you, to show you something. Okay, proceed. We save the details. It is very important that we save the details. Guys, we have completed the registration phase. I want to show you something now. I want to show you how quickly you receive your 50 Rand bonus. See, the 50 Rand bonus is there now. 50 initial amount, use 0, available amount is 50. Just like that. Not even a second. After just completing, you just have now 50 Rand bonus voucher. Just like that. You can just now use that voucher. It is important to verify, but I'll just skip that process right now. I'll teach you in another video, in the following video, how to do. Now I'm betting. I'm placing my bet. Today is the 3rd of March 2026. There are games in the Premier League. You see the 2 up there. I will come in the 2 up, but I'm placing Liverpool to win. Then I know the team, guys, but you go to leagues, you scroll, you go where you want to place. You see now, I want to place in Spain, Copa del Rey. Barcelona is playing Atletico today. I don't know when you will see this video. Atletico straight win. I'm out. Then I will go to another game, Netherlands. There's a cup game there, PSV versus Nijmegen. PSV straight win. I'm out. It's simple, guys. You press leagues, then you go to the leagues that you want to bet. Yeah, scroll fast. I want to go to Turkey. There's a cup there. Galatasaray is playing. Hey, this odds. But yeah, straight win Galatasaray. I just place those 4 folds because I just want to show you. So you see now, the problem, my 50 Rand doesn't appear here. So I'll have to refresh the phone so that it will restarted the phone, refresh the app, not restarted the phone. I want to show you. Go there by your name. You see SZK. You press there. Now the bonus is there. I go to bet now. You see, it must be show 2 there. Main wallet 0. Then you press there. You have your 50 Rand sign up bonus. Just like that. I place the bet. I'm in. If these teams make sure, I'll win 422. Just like that. I'm done, guys. This is your ticket. You check it. That's how we do it. It's very simple. If you can see, it's been 5 or 6 minutes from joining to placing your first bet. Very easy, guys. Very, very, very easy. Thank you. Then now I want to show you something. If you saw in that ticket I played Liverpool. There was a 2 up there, 2 up option. People still don't understand 2 up option while I'm winning a lot. with that option. 2-up option only means that if your team goes up by 2 goals, whether it's a 2-0 in the first 20 minutes, you out. You see, there are teams like Borussia Dortmund, and there's another one, Monaco in France. Those teams, they have a very good tendency of going up front and end up losing or drawing that game. They can go 2-0 up and you celebrate, hey, we're winning today. All of the sudden it's 2-2. The game is drawn, you lose. While with 2 up, once it's 2-0 for your favorable team, you're done. You tick that. If it happens that the opposition team scores first, then your team comes equalize, score again is 2-1, score again is 3-1, you're done. You won that match. It simply means your team must lead by 2 goals. Then you're done. You don't have to wait for a match to end. It's simple as that, guys, with the best bet in the world. Joining EasyBet, it means you get 15% bonus. 15% cashback, not bonus, 15% cashback every week. It means that you get 150% bonus voucher in your first deposit. It means that you get the famous 50 Rand bonus voucher, the welcoming one. Once you join, 50. That's why I'm stay 50. So guys, please use promo code STAY50. The link will be there in my description, because this is the best app you will have in Mzansi.